Hello everyone, my name is Prathamesh Prasad Karamudkar and my topic name is Chips of Subject of Marketing Management. About the industry. The chips industry is a significant segment of the snack food market, known for its dynamic growth and its innovation. It includes the various types of the such as the potato chips, tortilla chips, and vegetable chips. The Indian chips industry is a vibrant segment of the largest snack market. They are characterized by the different flavors and the regional variety. Traditional Indian snacks like a banana chips that are potato chips with the Indian spices and other savory items are the popular. The industry is growing rapidly, driven by urbanization, increasing disposable income, and shift towards the packaged food. Prominent players in the industry like a PepsiCo India, ITC Limited, Balaji Wafers, Haldiram's, Parle. PepsiCo India, known for Lay's and Kurkure, which are extremely popular in India. ITC Limited, with its Bingo brand offering the variety of the innovative flavors. Balaji Wafers. Balaji Wafers are the strong regional player with a wide range of the chips and the snacks. Haldiram. They are famous for its traditional Indian snack and entering a chip segment. Parle Agro. The Parle Agro, known for its Hippo brand, or offering a baked chips and other snacks. About our product and differentiation. My product name is Spice Indian Chips. Product differentiate. They have unique flavors. They are health conscious options, and they have authenticate ingredients. Unique flavor means you are leveraging traditional Indian spices and flavors such as the masala magic, tangy tamarind, and the spicy mint. Health conscious options offering baked, low oil, and the multi-grain variant to cater to health conscious consumers. Authentic ingredient using high quality locally sourced ingredient to ensure authentic taste, sustainability, eco-friendly packaging, and to sustainable sources practices. 4 piece product price place promoted. Why which products like spice Indian chips are available in variety of flavors and health conscious options in different pack sizes for individual and family consumption. Price competitive pricing strategy with a slight premium for specialty and health focused variety. Place distributed through supermarkets, kirana stores, online platform, and vending machines across urban or the semi-urban areas. Promotion utilizing a mix of traditional advertising, social media campaigns, influencer collaboration, and it in store promotion, emphasizing the authentic Indian flavors and health benefits in all marketing material. Target market through segmentation. Democratic segmentation. Age, children, teenagers, young adults, and middle aged consumers. Income, middle to upper income groups. Occupation, students, professionals, and homemakers they are a target market. Like a geographic segmentation, focus on the urban or any semi-urban areas with high population density and access to retail outlets. Physiographic segmentation, lifestyle, individuals with busy lifestyle seeking convenience snack options. Cultural taste, consumers with a preference for traditional Indian flavors and the spices. Health awareness, consumers looking for healthier snack alternatives without the compromising on the taste. Brand level strategy, product development, continuous innovation in flavor and health variants with regular consumers feedback loops. Introducing limited time flavors to maintain consumer interest and drive sales. Market penetration, aggressive marketing campaigns to build brand awareness, including television and digital advertising. Partnership with retailers for better shelf placement and in-store promotion. Market expansion, entering new geographic markets, focusing initially on high demand urban and semi-urban regions, expanding online presence through e-commerce platform and partnership with food delivery service. Brand positioning my Spice Indian chips as a premium snack offering authentic Indian flavors and health benefits, creating a strong brand identifying focus on quality, tradition, and sustainability. Conclusion: launching Spice Indian chips requires a deep understanding of the Indian snack industry and a strategic approach to product differentiation. By offering unique flavor and health conscious options, Spice Indian chips can stand out in a crowded market with targeted marketing strategies and continuous product development. Spice Indian chips can appeal to broad audience, catering to both traditional snack lovers and the health conscious ones through strategic expansion and robust brand positioning. Spice Indian chips can establish a strong presence in the competitive Indian chips market. Thank you.